Hey guys, I just want to do a quick video on some of the issues I've been having with the truck lately. All right, so last weekend we were up in the mountains and noticed it felt like the front end was floating a little bit. Well, this bracket for the shock broke. And so I took it to the dealership and they wanted like $450 to weld the bracket back on. So I ended up taking it to a muffler shop and they welded it back on for 75 bucks. So I got that fixed. It did a decent job, but it's fixed. The other issue I'm having is the turbo actuator valve. And I've been doing some research. A lot of you guys have videos of it. I got check engine light came on through a bunch of codes. And so I got it taken off. I'm gonna take it apart and look inside of it. But one of the things they said was if this moves freely, then that's good. Need to try to replace the actuator valve first and not the turbo. So I'm looking at getting a new one of those. Gino's Garage has one that's about $900, but it's much better than the factory one. So I'm looking at getting that. And before you take that valve off, you have to drain the coolant. It's about 6 gallons, and it's down there, right there. And I used a 10 millimeter Allen socket to get that off. So that's where we're at right now. A couple issues with the truck. It's gonna be down for a little bit until I can get that new part. Thanks for watching, guys.